Maureen is back to bring in the festive cheer with cozy and magical fabrics. Celebrating cherished traditions like decorating the tree with twinkling ornaments, wrapping presents, and cozy sweaters, these whimsical prints have everything you need to make holiday sewing magical. With 16 premium quilting cotton prints, sewing for the holidays just got a little more fun. This is Maureen's second holiday collection, and it was meant to coordinate with her first collection, Cozy and Joyful, while still being completely unique. Find special details within every print like Christmastide town with colorful Victorian brownstones, charming details including vintage lamp posts strung with lights, snowmen, and a post box for mailing letters to Santa. With the addition of Maureen's Plaid of My Dreams collection, you can pair this festive collection with the available 8 plaid prints in warm and cozy colors. There are 2 print scales available, so you can find whichever is most fitting for your patchwork projects. Capture every enchanting print of these collections with our free quilt pattern called Joy to the World, where you can enjoy piecing up flying geese and half-square triangles to create adorable silhouettes of houses and gift boxes. Grace through the pages of our cozy and magical fabric lookbook. The link will be located in the description box below, where you'll be able to find tons of projects that will surely inspire you to start sewing for the holidays. Discover creative quilt blocks, cheerful table runners, festive quilts, and more like the ones featured in this video. With every collection, we gather some matching blender fabric options for you to mix and match with. From floral elements to pure solids, you can find a full list of the names of the fabrics in the description box below. Get ready for a substrate extravaganza. Use the available knit print for all year-round makes, and with its 4-way stretch, this fabric calls for the most comfortable apparel. Plus the addition of 3 flannel prints, this double-brushed substrate is super soft on both sides and ideal for the colder months. Make your quilts extra cozy by adding flannel to the backing, or create apparel that will be super soft and keep you warm. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel to stay up to date with the latest collections. Until next time, happy sewing!